I am committed to break the bias that some voices deserve to be louder than others just because of their gender, and to project the ideas and the voices of the women around me.
My wife and I are having a baby girl next month, and I commit to breaking the bias that women can't be as strong as men.
Let's break the bias that thinks girls and women can't be successful in science, technology, engineering, and math because their brains just aren't capable of it. Let's break that bias across all cultures and socioeconomic levels. Break the bias.
I was raised by a strong woman. I married a strong woman, and together we raised a strong woman. I think women can accomplish anything, and I commit to break the bias that a woman can't accomplish anything a man can.
I imagine and hope for a world that is inclusive, diverse, and equitable. I commit to breaking the bias.
I promise to break the bias and make the world a place where every gender and every point of view is respected and treated equally.
I break the bias by challenging the notion that gender should be allowed to have any bearing whatsoever on whether assertiveness is perceived as a positive or a negative trait.
I choose to challenge the bias that women's passion translates into them being emotional, thus defining women as the more emotional gender. And I choose to challenge the bias that women's ideas can be better explained by men.
I married the strongest woman I know, and together we raised two amazing, strong young women who have chosen to make their mark in the world in STEM fields. I commit to breaking the bias that women can't do as well as or better than men in the fields of science, technology, and math.